Hello! In this video, I'll share how to cook meatball stew. Here are the ingredients you will need. First, prepare the tomato stew if you don't have some. You only need 3 cooking spoons of conc tomato stew for the quantity of meat we are using. Peel and pound the cloves of garlic. Add to the minced meat. Mix well till everything is combined. Then mold into balls. Place in an oven tray and bake in a preheated oven for 20 minutes. During baking, turn them around at least once. You can also shallow fry them. There's much more information about this step on my website. This is what they look like when done, compared to when they were still raw. Now, set a pot on the stove and add the conc tomato stew. Add meat stock. I just happened to have some meat stock on the day I cooked this, so if you don't have it, just add only water, but you may need to add more seasoning. Add the remaining spices and seasoning. Stir and gently add the meatballs. Cover and leave to simmer on very low heat. You see how it is slowly coming to a boil? Yeah, that kind of heat. Once it heats up very well, it's done. At this point, you can add curry leaves or basil if you want. Serve with boiled white rice or boiled potatoes. Enjoy!